Welcome back. In today's video, we'll explore the enhanced and feature-rich FE Script GUI for Roblox, a game-changing tool for both newcomers and experienced players. This updated script guarantees seamless functionality and unparalleled customization, ensuring an optimized gaming adventure. To get started, ensure you have a reliable Roblox executor, such as Delta or Applewar. Next, download the latest version of the FE Script GUI from the link provided in the video description. Once downloaded, copy the script, open your preferred executor, click on Upload, and paste the script into it. That's all there is to it. With its innovative features, this script is designed to make your Roblox gameplay more thrilling and fulfilling. If this guide was helpful, please consider giving the video a like, subscribing, and enabling notifications to stay updated with the newest gaming tips and tricks. Share in the comments which FE script feature you're most eager to try, or ask any questions you might have. Happy gaming, and see you next time.